Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about entry. How do I make an entry using my Magic IB system? There's a lot of questions being asked, so I said, okay, let me make a video and then I'll explain. It's much better than in words. So let's get started. I made some new charts. Every week I do that to my subscribers, and for my subscribers. So indexes and the charts and all that. So this is the folder. Let's see if I can open the folder. I made the new chart for almost everything: charts and templates, charts, pair charts. So well, not everything, but selected pairs. All of these pairs. See this: monthly, weekly, monthly, weekly, monthly, weekly. These are the key charts, the territorial charts, where I know exactly where this pair is about to do or heading. Right, and most likely, right, it can reverse without any sign or any notice, but most likely. So for example, I'm going to give you an example, the trade that I did today. For example, EUR-AUD. So EUR-AUD weekly chart, the one I made, it was made last Friday and finalized on last night. Let's open it up and see what it is. And all of these charts are like that, weekly chart, monthly chart, based on all those highs, lows, this and that. So now you can see here, this is the chart. I've been following this chart. This is like a weekly chart. It doesn't change much. After the whole week, you will have only one new candle here, basically, right? So this was the chart, and I made it last Friday, and this is how it ended up. And even before that, my take was that it's going to be bouncing from here and then going to the upside. So it went down a little bit and went up, and then again, you can see the last week candle was just bouncing from the TL. So I said, well, it still will go up, because I had my reason that, looking at the indexes, Euro index and Aussie index, the Euro index, probably be going to get strong, Aussie probably going to get weaker, and then those two will drag this pair to the upside. And the target would be, if we go above 62.48, then the target would be 64.50, then 65.97 respectively, and then in between you have 63.54. So these are the highs and the lows that the price always respect. So what happened? How do I make an entry from this chart? This chart doesn't do much except that shows all these numbers, highs and lows, and that's it. So let's go take a look at the chart that I used and I took the trade on. Remember this number, 62.48. So I used 20-minute chart and 7-minute chart to make the entry. You can see all those trades and those charts all over my website, right? So look at this Euro-Aussie 7-minute chart was bearish below this wave. The price was below the wave, and then below this black line here, right? This wave is below the black line. It's bearish. But my weekly chart saying that it's gonna bounce and then go up. So what I'm looking for, bullish entry above a certain level. So 61.88 was the level that it was above already, and it's supposed to go above 62.48, and above that, if I get an entry, I take it. So see how nicely it went up above the 68 first, got resistance, drop. This was also an entry, but I didn't take that one. But then it went up, it went above 62.48, and I'm even showing here 62.48 on a weekly chart. You can see it very clearly right there, 62.48. Right, I showed you the weekly chart one more time, right there, 62.48, 62.48. Right. So we went above that, and I found my entry. My entry is that the price is above the wave, coming into the wave. Yellow line is above the black line, and this indicates all the way down. Red candles turn into blue. I open the trade, especially if it is on a level 62.48. I just showed you this is a very nice level, and then as soon as I got the reversal candle, I open the trade 50-55 pip, easy peasy. And it is only 7-minute chart, and God knows how far and how long it's going to go to the upside, right? So, and every single day this is the same story, and several different pairs do the same thing. So I have all the charts, mostly if we can take a look at that. See all of these. My favorite pairs are Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound Yen. These are the big movers, and I have made the charts just like that, the one I showed you, on all of them, and I send out to my subscribers already. So they have these charts, and whatever the pair you want to trade, for example, you want to trade EUR-USD, you have a weekly chart and the monthly chart, and all the numbers identified already, the numbers, the bullets. All you gotta do is open your 20-minute and 7-minute chart, draw the horizontal lines, and in the volume time, look for the entries like that. Simple as that. And to help you find the entries, I have an alarm, which once you put that alarm on, once you have a proper entry, the alarm will start beeping. So even if you are not in the room, not on your computer, and if you are doing here, there, doing some other stuff, you can hear the alarm and come and take the trade. So it is, this is how it is already planned, and you just trade your plan. Simple as that. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is how this Magic IB system works. Okay, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, if you want to be a part of it, you want to learn what it is, then you go on my website here and then use this subscribe button, subscribe, get the chart, get the whole system, all the charts, the templates and everything. It takes maybe not more than a day to set up everything. And if you have any problem, I'll get on the Skype and then I'll help you out setting everything up and get going from there. Okay, so this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. I have several other trades running, and once I make the chart, I will show you guys those trades as well. They're weekly charts, and may not show the weekly charts, but I will show the trades. They are all systematic. They are all from my weekly charts, right on the levels, the numbers, and with the help of the reason for this strategy is that I don't want to get in the negative territory whatsoever at all. So what happens is that, if the price goes up, down, up, down, up, down, I get in. This strategy let me get in when the continuation after the retracement happens. So this was an up move, the retracement, and then as soon as the continuation starts, when I make my entry here on 7-minute chart, my SL is only 12 pip right there in the bottom. And then 90% of the time, the price never come and hit my SL. Never. It just goes straight up. You can see it right here. And you can see the same phenomena on my website. You go and then you can probably go through all my, look here. You can see my charts, my trades all over the place. Come on, man. Why is taking, this thing is, webinar thing. Then it slows down my computer. So you see all these trades here, short here, long here, long here. See this, how this was a long for 140 pip, this is a long for 120 pip. Same thing, same phenomena. Just like today I took this trade. See, same thing. Every single time this is gonna be the same thing is gonna happen. Short, exactly, by the book. It was down, it went up. Blue candle turned into red candle. I opened the trade. It was a little late here, right? But if you have a weekly chart telling you what's going to happen, then you can take these trades very confidently. Look here. This was a little. It seems like it is below. This is also EUR-USD 7-minute chart. I took an entry from here, but it was an entry on 20-minute chart. It was a nice bullish setup on a 20-minute chart. And then I am just showing you that I took the entry from 7-minute chart. The setup was on 20-minute chart. So once you subscribe, I teach you every single thing. And I also have one-on-one if you have somebody interested, getting with me on Skype, and then learn the whole thing from from A to Z. It's one-on-one, coaching is like a 10-hour, 12-hour coaching on Skype, where I will teach you every single thing about this whole system and how to take these trades. And look at that. Okay, this was a 33-minute chart setup, bouncing. See exactly the bouncing from the level 44.40. I even sent out the message on my Telegram channel saying that this is going to happen, and just be ready to take the trade. And there's a lot of people, a lot of subscribers, they just took it. My Telegram channel, you see, this is my Telegram channel here. where, so for example, no, that's not the one. It was up. Oh, this is the one. All right. See, this is my yen index 20-minute chart. Well, I made it on September 11th, saying that this is going to happen, and look, that's what's happened. All right. So here I post constantly posting a heads up that what is the setup is building, and what need to be done. This is how it is. So like I said, if you like, just go and subscribe and become a part of it, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. How do I close it?